Hello friends, I am Pramod Gorad. Welcome to Mindset IT Practical. So today we are going to learn draw the histogram. So let's see a question. Define a procedure histogram that takes a list of integer and prints a histogram to the screen. For example, a histogram passing with a parameter 4, 9, 7 as a list, and we have to display as printed as a following: 4 times star, 9 times star and 7 times star. So let's start with the program. So we have to define histogram as a function name and passing as a parameter as a list. So we use input list. Now use a for loop to reach each and every element from the given list. For I in a range length of input list, then print the input list of I into star. Now define one variable list1 equal to square bracket open 4 9 7 bracket complete. Now call the function called as a histogram passing a parameter called as a list1. Now save the program and run. So this is how we get a histogram for a given list 4 9 7. Now we see a next example, that is to create a function to display a histogram using a dynamic list entered by user. Here we are going to allow the user to enter their own list, and as per the list we are going to find out the histogram. So let's start. Define a histogram passing as a parameter input list. Again we have to reach each and every element from the given list for I in a range length of input list. We print input list as I into star. Now to get the input as a list from the user, we have to define a list underscore create function. For that we required list1 equal to empty list. Now we have to display a statement so that user will be entered a number of element for the given list. So enter a element of the list and press 0 to stop entering while true. That means until and unless your condition for 0 is not satisfied, your while loop is going to be continue. Element is a variable where we can store the number of input element entered by the user. So element equal to int of int square bracket parenthesis double quote. If element equal to 0, we have to break the loop so that you can come out of the loop and your list will be completed. Otherwise, out of the if condition, we have to append the element of the list using list1 plus or equal to inside the bracket element, so that your one by one element is added in the variable list1. Now print the enter list using a variable name called as list1. Now call the display the statement histogram as follows, and now call the function called as a histogram with a parameter list1. Now call the function called as list underscore create. Save the program and run. Enter the elements of the list and press 0 to entering. So we are going to enter a list of element so that we can get to know a histogram for this. Now press 0. So this way we get enter list is 5, 3, 7, 12, 31, and the histogram as follows. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.